our engineer who designed this machine. And introduce as say hi to everyone. And this is Mr. Chen.
Mr. Chen. Okay, let's take a together view. Together with him. Yes, Mr. Chen.
Yeah. He designed this crushing plant, and he knows more details about this machine. And now, maybe if you have any question about this machine, you can leave a message online and follow us to know more information. If you leave a message now, and maybe we can get the answers from our engineer directly. Okay.
做这个工作，做这种设计做了多少年了
？10年。
So about talking about the machine, he worked about this machine for about 10 years.
像这样一个这么大型的设备，如果是比如说让你们做的话，大概的制作周期需要多长时间？大约
半个月吧。
总共需要几个人来加工这台设备？
They are talking about the machine leading time for this machine is maybe need half a month, about 2 weeks need to produce it.
They will finish the crusher production, and total the one shaft. One shaft is about 10 workers. 是10个人对吧？10个人 ，10 workers will together working. And they will finish the mobile crusher.
就是说有些客户他会问，就是我们之前不是有那个其他的那个破碎设备吗？
一个话筒。
其他的破碎设备，然后我们现在就是这个新的这种移动式破碎站，主要是针对哪些客户？讲。
主要是针对这种，就因为这种移动站它移动比较方便嘛。 它可以随地就是组合，然后直接就可以生产。主要是这建筑垃圾之类的呀，这种城市这种小场合作业比较合适。
He's talking about the main requirement of this machine, as you know, in China now we have many buildings need to build, and
destroy and building again.
Yeah, you know the old houses or old buildings will be destroyed, yes. And then we to build the new one. And for this machine, we can process the
construction waste.
Yeah.
Construction waste. It is also for environment production. Also for because you destroy the building, it leads to the waste for the city.
Yeah.
But we use this crusher. We can make the waste become into the
products
aggregates. It help you to make the whole city more clean.
Yeah, which means we use this machine can help our city to build more buildings and without more waste. And because this machine can process the construction waste very easily.
Yes, it also meets the opening of our country, because our president always hope make waste become
less.
Money, become less, become money.
Yeah,
it's better for. It's better for.
It's environment friendly
development.
Yeah. That means it's very so there's no pollute to the environment.
Yes.
Yes, means environment friendly. And later you can 你可以说一下。
我们可以再采访一下我们这个工人大哥啊，再采访一下他，看看他有什么就是在制作的过程中，当时觉得哪一部分是他觉得自己很有成就感的东西，让他。
这个感觉比较有成就感的就是我们这个，比如说这个振动筛吧，这振动筛是可以液压升降的，然后这个运输高度啊什么的都比较方便， 然后那个然后这个圆锥破我们下边做了底座，然后这个圆锥破因为它晃动量比较大，我们加了有减震啊，各方面你看一下这个
如果
作业的时候
去办公室。
然后这个空调器那个因为这个多层圈嘛，这个皮带我们专门设计的这个长短皮带，之间有一个改变情况，别的就这样。
Finish very thanks for our workers introduction. It makes more detail. It talks about more details about this machine, especially for the hydraulic cone crusher. 刚才我们没有提到的就是那个这个减震的作用，减震保护的作用就是减少它的这个 vibrating. It will reduce the vibrating when working. It is under the working state.
因为这个不会像那个固定线那样，它支腿比较牢固嘛。
Because this mobile crusher doesn't have the concrete foundation, so we have to do the stable design to make sure this crusher can be worked very stable and no some like noise and vibrating.
Yeah. So with this hydraulic cylinders, it will give a very good direction, very good condition for the crushers to make it works more stable. Okay, our client, my colleague just told me that our client is asking about this cone crusher details. He's asking about if this one has a device to protect the machine from the damages, like if someone feed into the iron or something very hard to, it's too hard to break. 应该说，就是刚才有那个我们的那个观众嘛，就是问，就是关于这个软锥破它们有什么保护的机制，就是说，假如说我们为了一些不小心
进了一些那种大的石头了，突然间进了大石头，
或者是进的那种不小心进去铁了或者什么东西，有没有什么类似的
安全保护？
这个液压缸做的，这个液压缸就是这个它的就是做保护用的。它如果进那个，就是突然进一个不可破碎的物料或者硬度比较大的物料，它会就自动调整这个排料口的大小，然后把这个硬物排出去，避免这个设备因为破碎比较大的物料造成损坏。
我再重新确认一下，也就是说，如果出现是，比如说我突然间进了一个大石头然后这个液压缸它就会自动的把这个排料口给调大，满足它的破碎需求。不会说是，比如说我原本设置的是小出料口，然后突然间进了个大石头，它还是按照小的来破碎。
对，它会自动保护的。
Okay. It says that this machine has a protection system, these cylinders. Normally, it will give us the force to maintain the gap between the crushing wall. And when if the client feed something is very hard, maybe feed the iron by mistake, so the gap will be adjusted by itself automatically, and to make sure this machine is not break. Okay.
It will. The most important point is this hydraulic cylinder. It will be control the output size automatically. No need labor operator. Just it is self. 属于是一个自我保护装置，对吧？ Self protection device.
device. Okay, now we some of the guys are new coming, so we will give an entire view of this machine and to check it the whole machine to give the camera to this plant. Some of the new guys just come into our live show, and you see we are talking about this crushing plant, the crusher, and also the vibrating screen. We have give the very detailed introduce of this machine, and maybe you just come to our room, and but we have been give this for a long time. So maybe you can follow us and check our website, also the catalog, to know more details about our machine. Okay, today.
And also thanks again for our worker, because their effort, they are creative. They're creative. Then this mobile crusher is produced. So we have to appreciate for all the workers in Baicheng factory.
Okay, very good.
Very good, very good.
Okay, now guys, we have given a live show about 2 hours, and we need to have some rest. And if you want to know more details about our machine, you can tap your screen, follow us.
Follow us or email us or leave message online. We will have a serviceman solve for you at any time.
Yeah, for more details, you can contact me at contact us at any time. Today we call it a day. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.